Okay, so now we'll just demonstrate how I go about miking somebody up using my friend Gerben here.
Hello.
All right, you ready?
I am ready.
Cool. All right. Hey, my name is Matt. I'm your sound guy today.
Hello, Gerben.
Gerben, good to meet you. I need to put a lav on you. Have you used a lav mic before?
Yes, I have.
Okay, cool. So you know the whole process?
Yes.
Just to be sure, I'll show you. You're gonna put the mic right about here on your lapel, and we'll take the cable and we'll run it around towards the back, and we'll clip the pack onto your belt, plug it in, and we'll be ready to go.
Sounds great.
Good?
Yes.
Cool. I'm just gonna go grab the mic and I'll be right back.
Perfect.
Cool. One thing I like to do is show them the gear that you're going to be putting on them just to make them more comfortable and kind of distract them while you're going through this whole process. Okay, so here's your pack.
Perfect.
This is your transmitter, and this is the microphone. So what I'm going to do is we'll take this cable and we'll put it through the hole on your shirt. We'll run it around the back and we'll take that pack, clip it onto your belt, plug it in, and we should be ready to go.
Great.
Another thing we haven't touched on is if you're miking up a woman, depending on wardrobe, it might be a little more awkward. So I'm being a little more hands-on, but sometimes you could just ask them to maybe try to do it themselves or talk them through it. This is also when eye contact is important. Okay, so do you mind if I run the cable through?
Do what you need to do.
Cool. In the meantime, if you could just untuck your shirt and maybe clip that pack onto your belt.
Perfect.
And yeah, we'll get started. And as you feel the cable come down, just take the slack and pull it down so that there's no extra cable hanging out. I'll take this, clip it on here. Great. Just gonna lean this out so it doesn't rub. Cool, can I get you to turn around for a sec? Right on. All right, so we have some extra cable here. Do you mind if I just tuck that slack into the back of your pocket?
Do what you need to do.
Right on. Okay. Another big thing that's going to come up is they're going to ask what they should do with it, if they should mute it or turn it on or off. And what I always say and what I always communicate to the sound guy is just leave it on and we'll take care of it. Because odds are they're going to go up to talk and they're going to forget, they're going to be nervous, they're going to forget to turn their pack on, and you're going to have to run out on stage and do it for you. Or do it for them, so. Okay. Looks good. We should be ready to go.
Feels comfortable.
You want to do a sound check?
Sure.
Right on. So putting a lav on somebody is never fun, but the more you do it, the easier it gets, and the more you project that confidence towards your talent. So hopefully these tips help today, and the next time you go to lav somebody up, it'll be a little easier.